Ayush, this weekend you were like completely pampered by Nana, right? Just now you came back from where? From McDonald's?
Yeah.
What did you eat over there?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Ayush, I'm going to, oh god, I should not mention chicken nuggets because all my channel people think I'm a vegetarian. I am a vegan. My son likes to eat. And Ayush, see, that's a baby rabbit, no? Ayush, look in this direction. I'll really be uploading this video. So, Ayush, say thank you to Nana. The number of things he brought you. Popcorn and so many things. Ayush, ice creams. My god, Nana bought like 10 or 11, na? 17, yeah, but see, all for his grandson. And you know what, Ayush, next week or whenever we'll practice your cycle riding, and I'll do those videos also. So many didis and aunties, they like to watch this Ayush, and they feel like you are their son. So Ayush, that cycle mama kept it there, we'll practice, and later we'll do a recording of Nana also on his electric cycle. I've never sat on it. So wow, now the rabbit is the only one listening so intently to my conversation. So it's already a 1-minute video. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.